All right, so I just received the digital voice recorder in the mail. So let's check it out. Let's look in the box, see what we got, and then we're going to do a video on it. Here we go. Here's the unveiling. You guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. Set the box over there. And I do believe that this is the unit. And what's underneath here? Let's see. Oh, look at this. There is a card reader with it. There's plug-in earphones, USB. I'm not sure what these are. And some microphone-like screws and things. And this is, that's interesting. That's, I guess, so you can connect to this. As you can see, this is the old traditional type, right? So let's set that in there. Now let's take a look and see what the heck this is. We're gonna have to get some, oh, look at it, it's a pen. Oh, interesting. This is where you want to be sneaky, I guess. For what oh, look at that. There's one side. And let's get this part out. I wonder if it also writes. All right, let's get rid of this stuff. All right, so here it is. There it is. That's, oh, look at that. So I think we have to charge it, right? And let's see if the pen, oh, look at that. It's got a pen in it too. All right, so we've got to charge it. That's important. And so it does come with a USB to regular. Let's go ahead and open that up. Get this thing out of there. All right, so yeah, this is just your regular USB. So we can plug that in. I've got one of these already anyway, and we can use that. And just so you know what this is, let's go ahead and open it up. Let me set that in there. And apparently those must be more heads for the pen, right? Oh, I hate when you can't get stuff out of it. Oh, check it out. So this is so you can listen. So you can plug this in and listen. That is very interesting. All right, so, and then this is garbage. And this thing here, what is this? Let's take a look at this thing. This is does this open up? Don't make it too hard for us. Ah, there we go. All right, so this must be this is a card reader? Let's see what we got. Look at this. Does it come apart? Micro SD. It's got to be a way it comes apart. Do I have to actually read the directions? I don't want to do that. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, so check that out, look. So that is your micro SD, like USB. So apparently you can, keep this on your keychain and download, USB on here. I don't know why we have that, but all right, so that's what comes in the box. Now we just got to figure out how to use this thing, right? Okay, so we don't need a USB-C. We need this to connect on here. So we got to go ahead and grab that. And if you look, wrong side. Wait a minute, what's going on here? Oh, there it is. So there is our plug-in right there, right? So that's the one that goes in there. Notice we've got to get the, the beveled side on the right part where you put it in. And then that just got to go in there like that. And then you got a little red flashing light. We just got to wait for this thing to charge. And then we'll try this bad boy out. And what's cool about this is, look, we can actually really write with it. Not only can we record, but we can write. And of course you get your basic USB to traditional plug-in. Then you've got your headphones here. Then you've got your headphone adapter. And you've got, it looks like this is to raise your volume, lower your volume, and to move forward. And so you got that thing there. And then I do believe they also gave, and this, oh, here's our USB, little drive that you can use. And then here, look at, if you run out of ink, we got more ink. How do you like those apples? All right, so we'll just let that charge, and then we're going to give it a shot and see how we like it. All right, if you like this video so far, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. And just so for your edification, if you guys want to, you can go ahead and take a little screenshot. That's basically what this box that it came in. And it doesn't really give me a lot more information than that.